Welcome to Tia Art and Craft. Today we'll make thread flower bouquet. Take any color thread and cut it using cutter. Take 1/2 of the thread. Use any string or you can use the thread also. Cut the excess part. Now it's time to use green color thread. Comb it. Cut the excess thread. I made 2 pieces. Now take a tissue paper, fold like I do. It is a cutest mini bouquet you can make in last minute. Just fold it and tie it with the thread. Then I made a bow using a pipe cleaner. You can add any written notes or any card. Now it's ready. Last minute gift is ready. You can gift it to someone special for you. Okay, let's see in another video. Bye bye.